Are you planning to upload your logo to Shopify but don't know how? You don't need to worry because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it in less than 1 minute. Before we start, I also recommend you to watch my previous video about the correct size and format to use on Shopify before uploading your logo. It will help your logo to look sharp and not blurry. So let's now start the process. So go to your Shopify dashboard and then click online store and press edit theme and go to settings and logo and favicon. After that, select files, upload your logo, select the logo and wait for the file to be uploaded. Once it's done, just select and done. So you can also change the size of your logo. Here in desktop height, you can change the size to smaller to bigger. So once you're satisfied, save it and then go to mobile view. You can also change the size in here, smaller to bigger. And then once you're done, just save it. That's it. It's very easy. So you can customize the size for both mobile and desktop view. So make sure to check it after uploading your logo. Congratulations, your logo is now live to your store. In the next video, we will talk about on how to customize your Shopify theme, set colors and fonts correctly, adding products, set up your featured collection, and editing the header and footer menus. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And if you have any question, feel free to leave us a comment. Goodbye!